Hi everyone, see in this problem. Here how to find voltage VAB across node A and node B. So in the given circuit, 3 voltage sources are there, that is 30 volts, 10 volts and 20 volts, and 2 resistors 3 ohms, 7 ohms are there. How can you find the voltage VAB? So first of all, find the current in the given loop. So here the current is given as like this. Now first of all write KVL, then we get current value. So here KVL means sum of all voltage is equal to 0. So here the current is from minus to plus, so take as minus 20 plus, and the voltage in 3 ohms is 3 into I, and condition from minus to plus, so minus 30 plus 7I, and here condition is from plus to minus, so plus 10, that's equal to 0. So from this we get minus 50 plus 10 plus 10I, that's equal to 0. We will get 10I equal to 40, so I equal to 4 amperes. But here we want voltage VAB. So up to here for me loop. So now write the KVL here also. So then we get minus VAB plus 7I plus 10 equal to 0. So minus VAB plus 7 into I, we got 4 plus 10 equal to 0. By simplifying this, we get VAB equal to 38 volts. So from the options, option C is the correct option. And this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.